You'd be surprised how many gadgets are just a click away. You can find all these gadgets and more on Amazon. The coolest gadgets to buy? Here's one of them. The compressed air cleaner offers 3 adjustable speeds to provide powerful airflow for thorough cleaning. With a one-button start in 0.1 seconds, changing the air speed is simple and straightforward. When you turn on the electric air blower, the LED lights automatically illuminate, making it easier to clean in dark corners and adding convenience to your cleaning task. Its ergonomic design and cordless nature make it compact, lightweight, comfortable to hold, and easy to carry. The electric air blower includes 5 sets of nozzles to meet different cleaning needs. It's ideal for removing dust from computer cases, keyboards, cars, fans, blinds, and more. If you like this Amazon device, get ready, because the next one will blow your mind with its innovation and enhanced features that'll leave you breathless. Free Shot All-in-One allows you to carry all your essential golf accessories at once, making it one of the best gadgets you can buy. With capacity for 1 golf ball, 2 tees, a ball marker, and a divot tool, this set offers everything you need for a day on the course. These accessories make the perfect gift for any golf enthusiast. The Free Shot tee comes with an internal magnet that ensures the top and bottom halves are returned after use. This long tee is available in an eye-catching orange color, making it easy to spot among the greens of the golf course. Portable and convenient, the Free Shot is easy to carry. It clips easily to your belt or skirt without the need to remove glasses or use a hat clip, eliminating the need for bulky pockets. Free Shot attaches to the waist without causing discomfort and offers unparalleled practicality for golfers at all levels. It's the ultimate golf gift. This revolution is so accessible, just a click away on Amazon, where you'll find the most amazing gadgets that'll change your life. Vibis is one of the best and coolest gadgets around. An insect bite relief device. It offers a quick and effective solution to soothe irritation and swelling caused by mosquito, bee, wasp, and other insect bites in just 10 seconds. This innovative device uses 465 nm blue light technology along with heat pulses to efficiently break down saliva and other irritants under the skin, providing instant relief without the need for chemicals or medications. Designed with user safety and comfort in mind, Vibis offers 2 treatment modes: a high temperature mode at 124 degrees Fahrenheit and a low temperature mode at 117 degrees Fahrenheit to accommodate different levels of thermal sensitivity. An intelligent chip precisely controls the temperature, ensuring a stable and safe treatment at all times. In addition, it features an MCH ceramic heating plate that ensures thermal stability during use, providing peace of mind to the user. And that's not all, because if you liked this, the next Amazon appliance will take you to the next level with its cutting-edge design and features that will amaze you. The Drap Top Lift is not just another can opener. It's an innovation that completely changes the experience of enjoying your favorite beverages. Its revolutionary design allows you to remove can tops quickly and effortlessly, giving you full access to the contents and making every sip a unique sensory experience. In addition to enhancing aroma and flavor, the Drap Top Lift is incredibly versatile and convenient. It's compatible with a wide range of standard cans from 8 to 19 ounces, which means you can use it with all your favorite beverages, whether it's a refreshing soda, a craft beer, or any other canned beverage you want to enjoy. It's amazing that something this revolutionary is available on Amazon, right? It's enough to make you run, but the next one is on another level, and you'll find it just a click away. The new bi-directional heated hand warmers make their debut as futuristic gadgets you can buy. Overcoming the challenge of split designing separate heating units is crucial to ensuring even warmth on both sides. This innovative bi-directional heating technology effectively solves this problem. This product has been endorsed by Ferrari as a recommended gift, which speaks to its quality and performance. With increased capacity and rechargeable 5000 mAh X2 batteries, these warmers provide 6 to 15 hours of continuous heat, making them perfect for all-day outdoor activities. They also double as power banks, capable of charging your phone over 3.5 times, making them a versatile and practical accessory. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? Well, this next tool will amaze you just as much with its ingenious engineering and features that'll make your life even easier. A set of keyhole marking tools is more than just an innovative solution for marking keyhole slot locations on walls without the need for measurements, templates, or manual creation. This set is compatible with a wide variety of keyhole slot styles and works on a variety of materials and configurations, from plastic moldings to cuts in wood, plastic, or metal, and even surface-mounted or recessed additional hardware. With a thickness range of up to 3/8 inch, it contains long-lasting white and black ink that will not dry out, guaranteeing over 4 years of continuous use. When the tools are in use, a clever design automatically transfers the ink from the reservoir on the cap to the marking pad. The recessed marking pad ensures that the surface remains free of unwanted marks while the object is being placed, so that the only visible mark is the location of the fastener. Impressed by this Amazon gadget? Wait until you see what comes next. You won't believe it. This vintage-style flip clock does much more than tell the time. It's a real conversation piece that adds a touch of nostalgia and elegance to any setting. With its classic and minimalist design, this desktop clock is not only a practical tool for keeping time, but also a work of art that evokes the beauty of the past. Made with a durable and resistant 304 stainless steel frame, this clock is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring its longevity in your home or office. Powered by a carbon zinc D battery, it is convenient and energy efficient, while its mechanical gear design adds a unique charm to its appearance. What makes this clock even more special is the gentle ticking sound it emits, along with the synchronized movement of the cards every minute. This sound and movement not only remind you of the passage of time, but also add a sense of calm and serenity to your room. If this Amazon device left you speechless, get ready for the next model that'll take you to new heights with its efficiency and futuristic design that'll set trends. The AirPro 3 HD video camera is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of both professional and everyday users. Waterproof to 49 feet without the need for an additional case, it's perfect for capturing underwater moments with peace of mind. It also offers free cloud storage, making it easy to access and manage your footage from anywhere. Its ability to record high-definition video at 60 frames per second in 1080p and up to 120 frames per second in 720p ensures exceptional image quality, even during fast-paced scenes. Dual file recording allows you to capture 2 versions of your video simultaneously, giving you the flexibility to share your favorite moments instantly while keeping a high-quality copy for editing or storage. With the AirPro 3 HD, you get not only a rugged and powerful camera, but also the freedom to quickly and easily capture and share your adventures, whether on land or underwater. This invention you can buy on Amazon is amazing, isn't it? But the next one will amaze you just as much with its versatility and practicality, making every day even more incredible. The Kaluli Classic 4-liter thermoelectric cooler warmer mini fridge is a versatile choice and a cool gadget for those looking for a convenient solution for storing food and drinks. With a matte finish and modern profile, this portable fridge is easy to transport and fits perfectly in different environments, whether at home, in the office, or while traveling. With a 4-liter capacity, this mini refrigerator provides ample space for a variety of items, from fresh foods and beverages to personal care products and medications. Its compact design makes it ideal for placement on a desk, nightstand, or countertop. The highlight is its versatility, as it can keep drinks cold in the summer or meals warm in the winter. In addition, its solid-state operation ensures energy efficiency and quiet operation, making it ideal for any environment. This Amazon accessory is impressive, but the next one will leave you breathless with its elegance and enhanced performance, which will make every moment even more special. Are you worried that your pet might accidentally change its feeding schedule? This is the gadget for you. The Pet Libro automatic cat feeder is designed with a cover on the control panel to prevent pets from accidentally pressing the buttons. This innovative device offers the flexibility to run on 3 Type D alkaline batteries, not included, or on AC power, giving you the freedom to place it anywhere without worrying about wires. Plus, with up to 180 days of battery life, you won't have to worry about frequent battery changes. For added peace of mind, the feeder features a flashing red light and on-screen low food warning to ensure your pet never goes hungry and to alert you to potential food blockages or low battery conditions. This feature allows you to know the status of the feeder at all times, even when you're away from home.